20 years ago, Frost Engineering was built on the belief that great structures begin with great people. What started as a vision has grown into an engineering firm known for innovation, collaboration, and integrity.
The company got started in a basement and then upgraded to a horse barn in Wakarusa, Indiana. And then we moved into this fantastic location about 2011 here in downtown Mishawaka.
Sometimes I will feel, well, it's only 20 years. This feels like way more than that for the level of commitment that our clients have with us and how they like us. So it seems to me that it's probably far beyond that.
It's amazing how Frost has almost been here for as long as I can remember. And it's impressive just to see Frost has been and continues to be a staple of the community.
Something that I've personally connected with, just being able to drive down the street, see something that you've worked on and know that the difference was Frost and helping continue growing our communities.
We uniquely work on an incredibly wide array of complex structural engineering projects across multiple technical sectors. We are licensed in all 50 states. We have talented people from all over the world working here, and we have a wide variety and diversity of clients. Every single day is a new and unique day, which keeps things very exciting. Not a lot of mundane, regular days around here, huh?
Never. Never.
One advantage of working here is that we can get to work in many different type of projects. The favorite ones to me are the ones that get something that is unique. So one example of those will be an FRP or fiber reinforced polymer solar canopies. This project, we did it out of state in New Jersey. And the unique thing about it is the first one of its kind in the US.
We've had an opportunity to work on a lot of cutting-edge projects here. We have been working recently on St. Adalbert's, and that project is really exciting to me for a few reasons. One, it involves historic preservation, which is wonderful. I love getting to reuse existing infrastructure, particularly community-facing infrastructure like this. We've been able to do some really great things on the building, certainly in an architectural sense, but also in a structural sense. So for example, we were able to get an extremely high resolution LiDAR scan of this building inside and out. And that gave us a three-dimensional model with an extremely high resolution that we can get geometry that we just really can't get any other way.
I think what makes Frost unique is we're not only a structural engineering firm, we are a firm that wants to find the very best solutions for our clients. And that's not easy. It's hard. You have to be curious. You have to be interested in finding the small print in the code that can help our clients.
Every single person in this office and working for the company shares responsibility for the success of not just the company, but also for the projects and our clients. People go above and beyond every single day in here, even things that may not be written into a contract, but it makes a difference to the people that we actually interact with on a day-to-day basis, and we'll put in what needs to happen to make their lives and ours even better.
We're in this little town in northern Indiana, but we reach anywhere to make our clients successful. And that's part of why we pursued getting registered in all 50 states and getting our certificates of authorization. That's big. If our clients want to come to us and say, hey, by the way, we now want to work over here. Okay, we can help you.
It says that we are willing and able to go wherever you need the project to go. It allows us to be as creative as we want to be and all the challenges we crave.
"20 years is amazing. Engineering companies that last 20 years is like 2% or less. How does that happen? Well, the bigger question is, how do we continue? And what we have found in this team is a collection of amazing leaders. This group finds a singular line to the answer for the clients, and it's remarkable to watch.
I would say over the next 20 years, our industry is at an inflection point. There's big change coming, and I don't want to see Frost Engineering just ride that wave. That's what everybody else will do. We need to be up at the top. We need to push it. We need to be the ones getting out there and saying, hey, follow us. This is the way that the industry needs to go, and this is the right way to do things. As we attract the important talent and the correct people, both that fit with our culture and with the type of projects that we like to do and want to do, we're going to be able to push that as far and as hard as anybody anywhere.
I certainly have my own personal opinions on what the company might look like, but what is really exciting is I don't know. And that decision is ultimately going to be up to the team. So the company will ultimately go where the talented staff here wants it to go. So it's not going to be a top-down driven decision for where the company goes. It's going to be a very organic, team-focused, and horizontally decided destiny. And when you have such a wonderfully diverse group of people here with backgrounds and interests and places they're from, you get a lot of perspectives on where you can go, and it's going to help us find niches that we may not even know exist today.
It's a journey. It's uphill, downhill, flat land, sunny days, rainy days. We faced that, we've overcome that, and now we have a team that's armored, that knows how to lead, knows how to succeed. And that's what's incredible.